But Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar have joined in to tell us how to approach the market. Sudarshan, yesterday was a relief, and I'm sure a lot of bulls heaved the sigh of relief as well. Do you think this pullback could extend itself today over the next few days? And what are the markers on the index now?
Yeah, good morning, Sonia. I wish I could say that it will extend because we are all bored of that 8-day decline. But there's no way to predict that. What is easier to say is that we've had a rally yesterday. We could see a small gap down today, and we have a level to watch. So the markers are easier to identify. 17,350 is the low for yesterday. So far as that low is being defended, so far as the Nifty remains above this low, we should be looking to buy the Nifty either when it consolidates or if it recovers from the gap down. Below 17,350, close your long positions and step aside and just watch.
17,350, important mark. All right, got that. Sudarshan, Mitessh, what about you? Morning, how are you feeling this morning?
Morning, I think yesterday was a good reversal. The bank Nifty between the two indices is the stronger one. But the Nifty also looks like, it's possibly trying to attempt a pullback, which will be much better and much healthier than what we have seen in the last few days. And therefore, I think today's gap down for me would be a buying opportunity. I think the first intraday support comes in at about 17,400, 420 levels. So I think a 50-point gap down, a 45-point gap down would be a welcome level to, start taking fresh longs or adding on to your long positions. And I think Sudarshan also mentioned this, around 17,350, 340 is a good support, so that becomes the stop loss. I suspect the first levels on the upside would be about 17,520, some intraday averages converge there. But I think eventually we have the strength to go towards 17,620, 650 zones, which is where I would want to take profits on long positions. So very clearly trading with long bias, still we see the Nifty sustained below 17,350, 330 levels for an hourly close.
All right, what about individual stocks then? Sudarshan, let me begin with you. What's on your list this morning?
It's a mixture. Alchem is an intraday short. We had two big declines on that stock. So something is going on there. Intraday short with a stop above 3150. As Mitessh also pointed out, as we understand, the banks are outperforming. So Axis Bank is a buying opportunity. It's at its lows. So if there is an outperformance, we can see a decent bounce on the upside. Stop under 840. Dabur is a surprising FMCG stock which is going down while some of the others are now bottoming out. So Dabur is an intraday short with a stop above 537, and MCX is a buy. It's a buy on dips opportunity. We are hoping that the lows will be held with a stop under 1405.
Mitessh, what about you?
Prashant, in line with my positive view, I have more buy calls today, 3 buys to a sell. Federal Bank, I think, and I think that's a stock which was doing very well before this entire correction happened, and now I think it seems that the stock is ready to get into an uptrend again. So that's a buy with a stop below 130 for a target of 140 to begin with. Manappuram is a buy. I think it reversed from very oversold levels, so that's a buy with a stop below 103 half. A first target of 110 can be looked at, and also buy on Coal India with a stop at 216 for a target of 225. On the selling side is Godrej Consumer. Keep a stop just above levels of 925 here and a target of around 885, 882 on the downside can be looked at.
Okay, all right. We have Manappuram management joining us a little later on the show as well. Thanks very much, Mitessh and Sudarshan. Appreciate you joining in with that. We'll come back. There's 5 minutes still for the pre-open session. Amit Dikshit, analyst at ICICI Securities, will join in to talk about demand trends in the metals space. Stay tuned for that.